Welcome to Books for Success. Today's video is about the fantastic book, How to Make People Like You in 90 Seconds or Less, by Nicholas Boothman. The Power of First Impressions. You know that feeling when you meet someone and instantly click? Nicholas Boothman believes you can connect with almost anyone in just 90 seconds. This book is all about how to make that happen. 1. The basics. Attitude matters. Before diving into techniques, Boothman stresses that having the right attitude is key. Approach people with genuine interest, open-mindedness, and positivity. This sets the foundation for a meaningful connection. 2. Body language. Speak without words. A huge chunk of our communication is nonverbal. Boothman shares tips on open body language. Stand in a way that's open and inviting. Eye contact. Maintain it, but don't make it creepy. It shows you're interested. Smiling. It's simple but powerful. A genuine smile can break the ice. 3. Synchronization, mirroring and matching. Ever notice friends who hang out a lot start acting alike? That's because they synchronize their behaviors. Boothman suggests mirroring. Subtly mimic the other person's body language. Voice matching. Try to match their tone, pace, and volume. These techniques can build a sense of familiarity and comfort. 4. Listening actively. One of the best ways to make someone like you is to listen to them genuinely. This means not just hearing words but understanding the emotion behind them. Avoiding interrupting or turning the conversation back to you. Asking open-ended questions that show you're engaged. 5. The power of curiosity. Boothman emphasizes being genuinely curious about the other person. Ask about their interests, hobbies, and experiences. When someone feels you're truly interested in their life, they're more inclined to like you. 6. Finding common ground. Finding shared interests or experiences can create an instant bond. Maybe you both love the same music or have traveled to the same place. Finding these touchpoints can turn a casual chat into a deep connection. 7. The power of compliments. Everyone likes to be appreciated. Boothman suggests giving sincere compliments. But be genuine. Fake flattery is easy to spot and can be a turnoff. 8. The role of empathy. Understanding and sharing someone else's feelings can create a strong emotional bond. This doesn't mean you have to agree with everything, but showing empathy can bridge many differences. 9. The pitfalls. What to avoid. There are also things to steer clear of. For instance, avoid controversial topics in the first meeting. Avoid being overly self-centered or bragging. Stay away from negative talk or gossip. 10. The 90-second goal. While the goal is to make people like you in 90 seconds, it's more about creating an opening for a deeper connection. It's the starting point, not the end game. The real bond builds as you continue the relationship. Conclusion. Relationships matter. This book's heart is the idea that relationships, even brief ones, are vital. They open doors to opportunities, friendships, love, and much more. By taking a genuine interest in others, understanding the subtleties of body language, and actively listening, you can make a lasting positive impression quickly. Boothman's How to Make People Like You in 90 Seconds or Less provides readers with tools and techniques to form immediate connections. Whether it's for networking, friendship, or love, making a strong first impression is invaluable. Remember, it's not about manipulation but genuine connection and understanding. Making someone feel heard, appreciated, and understood is one of the quickest ways to their heart. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, remember to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're hungry for more wisdom and want to support our channel and the remarkable authors we feature, subscribe and check out the links in the description. Your support not only helps us grow but also supports the authors who have dedicated their time to creating these life-changing works. Thanks for watching.